Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate children to do better at home, school, and everywhere. And today we have our helper James, and he's going to help us unbox another Ryan's World toy. What toy do we have today, James?
Today we have the Lego Police Ryan's helicopter building set with figures. This is what it's supposed to look like.
Okay, so let's open it up.
Open it up.
Oh wow, look at that.
Which part do you think this is?
I think that is the helicopter.
Oh, this is definitely the figure.
Yes.
But it has the face and the body. And here are... Oh! We have some stickers.
Oh wow, what do you think we have stickers?
See right here.
Police? Oh, that we're gonna put on the helicopter?
And then we of course have the instructions.
Nice. So while James tried to start putting it together, let's look for today's Tony Robbins quote. Children, today's Tony Robbins quote says, by changing nothing, nothing changes. What that means is, if you have a situation that you feel should be different, if you want a different outcome, if you want something to be different in your life, you have to do something. If you don't do anything to change the situation, then it will not change. Let's just say you got a bad result in your test and the teacher says you can do a retake. You have to do something and change something so that you can get a better score. If you don't do anything, if you don't change anything, maybe you study more or do something else, your score will still remain the same. So you have to change something to see something changing. If you learned something from this video, please share with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. So we're going to leave James to finish the Lego and we'll see you next time. Bye.